unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Yes, an OBD2, Onboard Diagnostics 2, scanner can detect a misfire in your vehicle. Modern vehicles are equipped with sophisticated systems that monitor engine performance. When a misfire occurs, it's usually due to incomplete combustion in one or more cylinders. The OBD2 system will store a trouble code that indicates the specific nature of the misfire. By using an OBD2 scanner, you can retrieve these codes to identify and address the issue, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.